So you want to set Google as your default search engine in Google Chrome. I've already created a video on how to do this. It's quite a simple process. But what do you do if Google's not selectable? So maybe it's been deleted. Maybe you're on some malicious website, or you had a virus or something that's removed it. And there's actually a comment in the last video of how do I solve this? And I found a solution for that person and I've written it all up. But I thought, you know what? Let's make a video on this because it wasn't as easy as I first thought it was going to be. So let's find out how to do it. So here I am. I've launched Google Chrome. Bing is my default search engine. Along the top here, it's going to search Bing, which is not what I want to do. I want to search Google for all of my queries. Top right, click on the three dots. Scroll down to settings. Left hand side, you've got search engine. But in the middle, you can scroll down as well. So you've got search engine here. You've got Bing as the option. You've got other ones as well. You've got Google, which is what I want, DuckDuckGo or Ecosia. So obviously you can just pick Google and that's your problem solved. But if you don't have Google available to you, then this is how you add it. Click on Manage Search Engines. Again, Google is listed here, but if it's not available, I'm going to show you how to add it. Down the bottom, you might have a lot of search engines listed down the bottom here. If you don't worry about it. Click on Add. Search engine, give it a name. So the name that we're going to give it is Google. Keyword, google.com, and then a URL. Now I'm not going to say what it is, I'm just going to paste it in there. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to add that URL to the description of this video. Okay, so in YouTube, in the video description, have a look for this. I'll make it very clear what it is, copy and paste it in. So you can do that by just highlighting it, pressing Ctrl C. Then when you're in this part of setting it up, press Ctrl V. I'll press Add. You can now see it's listed down the bottom. You've got Google listed here with the letter G as well, so you know it's the Google symbol. Click on the three dots at the end of it and select Make Default. And there we have it. Google is now my default. And just to prove it, I've opened a new tab and here we are. We are in Google. Along the top here, I'll type something in to search for it. So I'll type in Everton, and there we have it. Google has been coming up with the results. And that is how you set Google as your default search engine in Google Chrome if Google has been deleted somehow in some way.